We're going to talk about the best images for your Facebook ads. So we will see how we can define our best images to increase the click-through rate and to increase the number of prospects who are going to take action. So we're going to see all the parameters and the tips and tricks and recommendation. First of all, we're going to see the Facebook ad image best practices that will improve your click-through rate. Facebook's own ad image best practices are: you choose an image that is directly relevant to your product or service, and you use an image that is bright and eye-catching even when viewed at a small size. Avoid images that have many small details or text and opt for something simple instead. Let's talk about some of the rules of Facebook. These rules are related to the size and the shape. Let's talk about the size. First of all, Facebook recommends that your images are 1200 pixels wide and no smaller than 600 pixels. But today, using right-hand column ads, you can also use images that are 144 by 72, which are 100% scaled down from the 1200 by 600. Regarding the shape, we should use landscape and not portrait. This is the recommendation of Facebook. Let's see now some of the best practices that even Facebook will never tell you. First of all, you should have images with happy people. Retailers can have a happy woman modeling their product. Service-based businesses can show a happy woman who has benefited from their service. Then show color. Do not use Facebook colors, blue and white, to avoid to be blinded into the Facebook newsfeeds. So you don't want your head to be blinded into the Facebook newsfeeds. If your product image, logo, or whatever is blue, make a bright background or border. Ensure the background or border you choose contrasts with the image itself. Attract the eye with a bright color and encourage a conversion with a great CTA in the title or copy. So use CTAs inside your images and use different colors, borders, and background. Logos. You should use logos. An easily recognizable logo may not attract the eye as well as a woman. A lot of color, a baby red pen, but over the time they will encourage conversion as Facebook users see it consistently and often. A logo increases brand recognition. You should use Facebook Power Editor to create a logo. If your logo is naturally blue or colorless, be sure to use a colorful background or border, so to avoid to be blinded into Facebook news feeds. Then, value proposition. A clear and solid value proposition is a way great to attract the eye. For example, use awesome colors as well as the word free to grab attention. Run a contest and put the prize within the image, like for example, win a $100 gift card. Give a valuable takeaway from an ebook or guide, like convert with the A/B testing. Be sure to still include color within your image. A great value proposition will increase click-through, but will not attract the eye without color. So use all together: colors, logos, value proposition. Use children and pets. These are two of the top 5 most shared images on social media. Bear in mind that your image by no means has to be clearly associated with your product or service. The goal of your image is to attract the eye. Leave the message to your title and add copy. And then use funny or odd images. Depending on your business audience, employing a funny or odd image can seriously increase your conversion rates. Not only do they attract the eye, they encourage your reputation as a fun, casual brand.